Standard 8 Maths Chapter 12 Exponents and Power. So far we have discussed various examples regarding laws of exponents. Now we will start with exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Here is question number 1. First part. We have to evaluate or we have to find the value, that is 3 raised to power minus 2. Now it can be written as 1 upon 3 to the power plus 2. Now further it can be written as 1 upon 3 into 3, that is 1 upon 9. So this is the value. Now second part, we have minus 4 to the power minus 2. Clear? It can be written as 1 upon minus 4 to the power plus 2. Power has changed. So it becomes 1 upon 4 into minus 4, and 1 upon minus 4 into 4 will be plus 16. So the value is 1 upon 16. Now third part of this question is, we have 1 upon 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. As I told you earlier, if it is a fraction form p upon q to the power minus a, it will change into q upon p to the power plus a. Okay, power will get into a positive form if we reciprocate the fraction. So it will be 2 upon 1 to the power plus 5. So 2 upon 1 is simply but 2 to the power plus 5, and it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and the answer is 32. Clear? Now second question, we have to simplify and express result in power notation with a positive exponents. We have to write the power in a positive exponent form. Question number 2. Here we have question number 2. So it is minus 4 to the power plus 5 divided by minus 4 to the power plus 8. So it is written as, here bases are same, and in case of division it was, if it is a to the power m divided by a to the power n, it was a to the power m minus n. So it will be minus 4 is to the power 5 minus 8. It will minus 3, and since we have to write the this with positive value or the positive exponent, so it will become 1 upon minus 4 raised to the power plus 3. Further, if you want to solve, it can be written as 1 upon minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Now minus 4 into minus 4 will be plus 64, and plus 16, and plus 16 into minus 4, it will be 1 upon minus 64. So you have to write up to here. So in the representation of a positive exponent. So the second part is, now part second, that is 1 upon 2 to the power 3 whole raised power 2. Now it can be written as 1 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. It is 1 into 1, and it will be 2 into 3. It is 2 to the power 6, as I have explained in laws of exponent. It will remain 1, and 2 to the power 6 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So it will be 1 upon 64. Clear? Now third part is, here we have minus 3 to the power 4 and plus 5.3 to the power 4. Now their powers are same, so it can be written as minus 3 into 5 upon 3 to the power plus 4. Now 3 will get cancelled out. So in the bracket we have minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5 to the power plus 4. Now it is minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Now minus 5 into minus 5 will be 25. Now 25 into minus will be minus 125 and minus 125 into plus 25 will be plus 625. So the answer is 625. Now next part. Fourth part is, it is 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. Now in bracket we have 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. Now bases are same, so power will get subtracted. So it will become 3 to the power minus 7 minus 10. Okay, it was case like a to the power m upon a to the power m, it was equal to a to the power m minus m. In place of m they have minus 7, in place of n they have minus 10. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So this is 3 to the power minus 7. So here is one minus sign outside the bracket, so it will become plus 10. It is multiplied by 3 raised to power minus 5. This is 3 to the power minus 7 plus 10. It is 3 into 3 to the power minus 5. So bases are same. Power will get added up. So it will be 3 plus minus 5. It will be 3 to the power plus 3 minus 5. It is minus 2. It can be written as 1 upon 3 to the power 2 or 1 upon 3 into 3, which is equal to 1 upon 9. Clear? Now last part of this question is, I hope things are getting clear to you all. Fifth part. It is 2 to the power minus 3 into minus 7 to the power minus 3. So the power are same, so we can multiply the inner values that the bases can be multiplied. It is 2 into minus 7 will be minus 14 to the power minus 3, or it can be written as 1 upon minus 14 to the power plus 3. Okay, the power is in positive exponent. Now next question, that is question number 3. This question number 3, what we have, find the value of 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2. Now what is value of 3 to the power 0? It is 1. What is 4 to the power minus 1? It can be written as 1 upon 4. So 1 plus 1 upon 4. 2 to the power 2 is 2 into 2, that is 4. Now it is, we have taken LCM. It will become 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 plus 1 into 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 upon 4 multiplied by 4. This 4 will get cancelled out and the answer will be 5. Clear? Now second part. Second part is 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Okay. Now 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power, powers are equal. So it can be written as, okay, because powers are same, so their bases can be multiplied. It is 2 to the power minus 4, oh minus 2. It will become 8 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Now this 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So it can be written as 2 to the power plus 3. So it is 2 to the power 3 into power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Now it is 2 to the power like a to the power m whole to the power m, it will be a to the power m into n. So it will be 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 to the power plus 2. Oh sorry, minus 2. So it is 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Now their bases are same, so their powers will get subtracted. It will become 2 to the power minus 3. Here it is 1 minus sign, it is minus 2. It will become 2 to the power minus 3 minus minus, it will be plus. So it will become 2 to the power minus 1, or it can be written as 1 upon 2. I hope this is clear. I've explained step by step all the things. So now third part. Now the third part is we have 1 upon 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 to the power minus 2. Now this can be written as 2 upon 1 to the power plus 2. Okay. It is 3 upon 1 to the power plus 2, and it is 4 upon 1 to the power plus 2. Power get converted into positive exponent when we reciprocate the fraction. It is 2 upon 1 is 2 to the power 2 plus this is 3 to the power 2 plus this is 4 to the power 2. Now this 2 to the power 2 will be 2 into 2, that is 4. It is 3 to the power 2 will be 9, and it is 4 to the power 2, that is 16. It will be 16 plus 9, this is 25 plus 4, it will become 29. Clear? Now fourth part. Now fourth part is 3 to the power minus 3 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 0. Now what I have explained you, if we are taking any number and we are putting its exponent or its power as 0, its answer will become always 1. So we have to do nothing, we don't have to solve this, its power is 0. So we can directly put the value as 1. Okay. So now last part of this question, that is fifth part. We have minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2 whole to the power 2. Now it is a to the power m, a to the power m whole raised to the power n. It will become a to the power m into n. So what it will become? Minus 2 to the power 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2 into 2. It will become minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 4, and then we have to convert this into positive fraction. We have to reciprocate the fraction. It will become minus 3 upon 2 to the power plus 4. Okay. So what it is? Minus 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4. It will become minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So its value will become 3 minus 3 into 3 will be plus 9, plus 9 into minus 3 will be minus 27, and minus 27 into minus 3 will be plus 81. Okay. And upon 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 is 16. The answer is 81 upon 16. Now rest of the part we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.